Hello everyone, and welcome to this Fuzor 2026 new features tutorial. In this video, you'll learn the complete process to upload your project and generate a secure, shareable web viewer link for collaboration. Let's begin. In this video, we will cover three main objectives. First, how to upload your project to the Fuzor Cloud and use the S-Optimizer to prepare it. Second, how to locate and verify your new web viewer link in the Cloud Links panel. And third, how to manage your new web viewer link, including setting a secure password and expiration date. To start, open your Fuzor project file, navigate to the Collaboration tab and launch the Fuzor Cloud Links application. You can also find this option in the project panel's export menu. Before uploading, note the key settings. The Preserve Site Context Texture Quality and Maintain Texture Quality options help control file size versus visual fidelity. Also, check slots usage to see your available viewer slots. When ready, click Upload Current Project to Cloud. You can see link name, which is the name used in the link list. The author is the name of the uploader. You can set an expiration date to expire the link, so that old files automatically delete when no longer needed, ensuring clients do not use outdated viewers. Use the Create and Upload button to continue to the S-Optimizer. This launches the S-Optimizer. The S-Optimizer automatically checks your project's size. If needed, it runs an auto-optimization, removing objects not in schedules, without animations, or not assigned to triggers. You will see a list of all models. Your goal is to get the total file size bar under 100%. Uncheck models to exclude them. One effective way to reduce size is to toggle off BIM parameter data if properties aren't needed for the viewer. Address any warnings. Once optimized, click the Confirm button. Your project will process and upload. Upon completion, you are returned to the Cloud Links panel for our second objective. Here, you will locate and verify your new web viewer link. It is now listed, showing the link name, the author, and a system-generated password. This leads to our third objective, managing the link. You can double-click the password to edit it or click once to copy. For security, passwords must be 12 characters long, including an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, a number, and a special character like a dash. You can click once to copy the link and paste in the browser and click once to copy the password to open the web viewer later. You can also set an expiration date by clicking the calendar icon. To update the viewer later, open the new project version in Fuzor and click Upload Current Project on Cloud again on the same link. This will replace the previous file. You have now successfully uploaded your project, located the new link, and configured its security settings. In the next video, we will walk through the simple, one-time setup process that your clients or team will follow when they open your link. Thank you for watching.